Souzana. Welcome to Love Belly Dance, my fundamental Oriental style belly dance vocabulary series. I'm going to teach you hip bumps, also called hip sits. So with a hip bump, a lot of people call it hip bumps. I learned them from Aunt Rocky, also Morocco, from New York, and she called them hip sits because as you transfer your weight, you are sitting into your hips. So I did ballet, and I remember the teacher saying, pull up out of the leg, don't sit into the hip. But what's great is that with belly dance, I get to sit into the hip. And what that does is as I shift my weight, transferring it over, I'm gonna sit into that hip. So this is, I'm on the phone, I'm carrying a stack of books on my hips. Kind of creates that little shelf here. So as I shift my weight over and sit into the hip, it creates an upward movement of my hip. So as I shift over. So a lot of dancers will call these hip bumps because you're bumping, bump, bump. So imagine that you've got your arms full of those books, or maybe it's a couple bags of groceries and you've got to close the car door. So your hands are full, what are you going to use? Well, we've got these fabulous hips we can use, and so we can bump the car door closed with our hip. And so that's where it gets the nickname hip bump. So whether you call it a hip bump or a hip sit, it's the same technique of shifting the weight over. And with this, because you're shifting the weight over, you can start to walk with it. Traveled. So we're going to go ahead and bring our arms to the side here, elbows to the side to create a nice frame for our hips. And we're going to bump, 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 or sit, 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 sit. Now from there, we can do single sits or doubles. So it's like I'm going to do halfway, all the way over. I'm going to go, I'm thinking about it. Yes, I'm going to go. I'm thinking about going. Yes, I'm going to go. So if you're to put your hands here, it's like you're going to do a light tap and then bump the hand. And light tap and then bump the hand. So it's the second one is where you're really going to do that shifting of the weight. You're going to transfer the weight there. So it's halfway over, transferring your weight, and then transfer the weight all the way over. So halfway, all the way. Halfway, all the way. So double bump, double bump, double bump, double bump. Now let's do singles. We're going to do single, 2, 3, 4. Now double bump, and single, 2, 3, 4, double bump, and that is our hip bumps or sits.